show you level of preparation for middle splits. It helps you to test your joint turnout. Preparation position: sitting on the floor, legs as much as possible apart. Perform your maximum legs amplitude. If the angle is 90-120 degrees, you are in the red zone. If 120-150 degrees, you are in the yellow zone, and 150-180 in the green one. The second exercise shows you overall flexibility. Preparation position: sitting on the floor, legs shoulder wide apart, lean forward. Perform 3 pushes forward up to 3 times, and the last time fix position in the dead point of swing. Do not bend your legs. Your hands do not reach your heels, red zone. If your hand at the same level with heels, it's yellow zone. Hands down the heels, green zone. Let's test your flexibility of your upper lean girdle. Preparation position: sitting on the floor, hands back crossed. You should make 3 pushes back up, and the last fixed position in the dead point of swing. If the angle is up to 45 degrees, you are in the red zone. 50-75 degrees, you are in the yellow one. 80-90 in the green one. The next exercise is hands ringing with rope. At home you can use, for example, a towel. Preparation position: sitting on the floor, hands shoulder wide apart, hold the rope or towel. Do 3 hands ringings. Arms should be scrolled at the same time. You'll not cope with the task if you scroll your hands one by one. You bend the arms in the elbow joint. Green zone: the distance between hands is shoulder wide. Yellow zone: if you are not able to perform the exercise keeping shoulders wide, move hands along the rope up to 15 centimeters from both sides. Red one: if you are not able to perform the exercise keeping shoulders wide, move hands along the rope up to 25 centimeters from both sides. Let's check your back flexibility, upper and lower shoulder girdle. Preparation position: feet first paying, arms under your shoulders, legs bent also shoulders wide apart. Try to make arch. If you stand on bent legs and arms, your spine does not form an arch. You are in the red zone. If the arms straight and legs bent to complete straightening, this is the yellow zone. You can move your chest forward and straighten your legs without moving your arms and legs. You are in the green zone.